Next useful plant is a potato. Potato produces the starch. It cares our skin. You can take out the peel of the potato. It is useful for our skin. It reduces the dark circle or the excessive oil on our skin. Next is bhendi. It is also called as a lady finger. Many children like to eat its vegetable. It contains high fiber and useful in the digestion. Next is neem. In botany it is called as Azadirachta indica. This neem plant, each part of this neem plant is very useful. Stem, leaves and its fruits also. From its fruits or small seeds, oil is extracted which is insecticidal or medicinal one. When the seeds fall down, that seeds produces the new sapling. At the same time, some what we can say that the yellow seeds which cannot produce the new plant, when they go inside, they are useful for increasing the fertility of the soil. It has an antibacterial property also. It is used against skin infection. Many times in our bathing water, we may have put some neem leaves. It is insect repellent, and that's why when we store the grains, therein we put the neem leaves. We all must be knowing that nowadays most of the beauty care cosmetics that we are using, they also contain the neem. So very useful plant. Next is Adusa. Adusa in botany it is called as Vasaka. It is used in cough, cold and asthma. Very common cough syrup. Then asparagus. Asparagus contains vitamin A, C and K. Okay. It also contains the minerals like zinc and iron, which is useful in the pregnancy. It reduces the stress, aging. Okay. It is antiviral also. The roots of asparagus grows deep in the soil and they are too much useful to us. They are useful in weight loss. It will improve our digestion power. It reduces the chances of heart attack and it improves our bone health. Okay. In this way, asparagus is also the important plant. Next is Amla. Amla contains vitamin C. Hence, it is used in against cough, diabetes and hyperacidity. Okay. Tulsi, very important plant. You know, it is a 24 hours oxygen giving plant. It is called as Ocimum also, holy basil. Leaves of this plant cure our chronic fever. It is given in cough and cold also. Okay. I had given you some examples of the plant, how they are useful to us. Okay. Next is useful animals. Just like plant, animals are also useful. First important use is the food. Cow, buffalo, goat are the milk giving animals which contain protein, or milk is said to be the complete food. Some animals like hen, duck, they lay eggs, and these eggs are used as a food. Fish, deer, ostrich, or meat from some other animal, it is also used as a food. Okay. Then clothes, silkworm, sheep. Silkworm gives silk, sheep gives wool. It is used as a cloth. Then third, medicine. Many animals are used as a medicine also. I am giving you the example. Fish, the liver produces the cod liver oil, which increases our strength. Honeybee gives the honey, which is our food, or we can say that used with many Ayurvedic medicine. Animals carry our load. Donkey, horse, they carry our load. Butterflies fly, they are used in pollination, that is in the transfer of anther on the stigma. Some animals like earthworm, snake, microbes increases the fertility of soil. Domestic animals, cat, dog, we have in home, they guard our home. They help us in many ways. I had shown you here some pictures of the animals, how they are useful to us. Bivalve, dog, shark, honeybee, horse, mice, silkworm, cow, and yak. These are useful animals. Thank you.